The 2020-2021 Kia Niro key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. Start by examining your fob. Most have a small release button or a sliding mechanism to open the battery compartment. No screws needed. Use a small flathead screwdriver carefully, if needed, to pry it open. Take note of the battery orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032. Ensuring correct polarity. Incorrect insertion can cause immediate failure. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your car. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation before assuming there's a bigger problem. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need reprogramming. Try cycling the ignition by inserting the key and turning it to on 10 times without starting the engine. If that fails, a dealer visit might be necessary, costing between $50 and $100. For best results, always use a genuine or Kia-recommended Panasonic CR2032 battery. Non-genuine batteries can drain faster, reducing the key fob's lifespan. Handle batteries carefully to prevent short-circuiting. Remember to recycle old lithium batteries for environmental reasons. If you're unsure about any step, refer to your Kia owner's manual or watch a tutorial specific to your model year.